Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, really do appreciate it. The Patreons, following us on Twitter. We've just hit 20k followers, sorry, on Twitter. So that's amazing, and it's all good. Honestly, thank you for spending the time watching the videos and sharing is caring, obviously, and everything you do to contribute towards the growth of CoinsKid here. So right now you can see that the market is having a bit of a pullback. We're down 1.12%. Sorry, total market capitalization just on CoinsKid.com at the moment. Okay, just looking at the market. I'll try and do this every day just to spice it up a little bit and something a little bit different. You can see Chainlink's down 5.9%. I'm a big believer in Chainlink, so do keep an eye on Chainlink because it's showing really good signs of a reversal. Hopefully, we need to keep an eye on that. Today you can see that a lot of things are up, like Shiba Inu. You know, when you see things like Chiliz is doing really well. I need to make another update on Chiliz, by the way. I do need, because I'm getting a lot of pressure from people to do that, and I will do that. Keep watching this space. Hopefully I can get on tomorrow. If not, definitely tomorrow I'll look at doing a Chiliz update. Okay, and you can see it's picking up in the last day. It's doing relatively well. Bit of a sell-off in the last hour, but you know, the likes of the graphs picking up, waves is picking up in the last day. So there's some kind of market movement going on. It's all good. But in the last hour, you can see that Quant's doing well. Engine Coin, that's a really good project. That Engine Coin, by the way, for those of you not into Engine, that's a really solid project. Do look into that. I do need to make some more updates on that. I do like the graph as well. Obviously, a lot of crypto won't function without this particular project. Again, this is XRP. What am I doing? I'm rambling on. I do apologise. Let's look at XRP. So obviously, it's ranked 7th. Okay, trading at 87 cents. It's down 0.4 in the last hour. Have you noticed how things are not going down a great deal at the moment? You know, when the market does have a bit of a correction, it's not massive, is it? So that coincides with consolidation. Basically, you up, you down, you're going left, you're going right, and you're sort of going sideways. And it is a bit boring, it is a bit choppy, but at least you're not crashing to zero like a lot of people say. Crypto's a scam and it's going to zero sort of thing. So yeah, it's looking relatively fruitful. Okay, relatively fruitful. So what we're going to do right now is jump onto XRP on the technical analysis side. Okay, so looking at XRP now, this is an 8-hourly time frame right here. You can see we keep hitting ahead. We've hit ahead basically on this level of resistance, which is a 55 EMA on the 8-hourly time frame. Now there is a bit of a rinse repeat pattern. If you look here, we've got this W double bottom here, we've got rejected, and just there we've got a W bottom that got rejected as well. So as you can see, there's an upper trend line. Do you see this? It's a support line basically. An ascending triangle that XRP finds itself in, and right now there's another ascending triangle that XRP finds itself in within a triangle. Do you see this? So you've got this level of resistance right here, and now you've got a new level of resistance right there. So it's like a step down, a level down, and unless XRP can find support here and start to break out of the apex here, you are looking at a bit of a rollout here for XRP, and there is a target obviously of 0.60 cents, and I've told you that target. From here, if it was to roll, and it is all a big what if as well, that's a 30% correction right there for XRP. Now there is a target. I'm just going to show you this. If it does lose this support of this ascending triangle that it finds itself in, obviously if you break out, you're going to be looking at a pump to the upside around about $1.05, which would coincide with a WW bottom reversal there, taking you up to $1.45 for XRP. Okay, it is building up steam. A lot of the levels have been reset. I mean, look at the stock RSI just there. You're starting to roll over, aren't you? So with that, you can see potentially where you could get the pick up and start to come back up and break these key levels of resistance here for XRP in continuation, because obviously, as you're fully aware, if you was to lose the support right now, then this is where you could see XRP roll over and come down to sort of 75 cents or wherever you lose support. If it was to roll out here, okay, you would be looking at a 70 cents token right there for XRP, and with that you would be looking at that continuation coming down to this particular target 0.60, which is a previous swing high, which we've spoken about so many times for XRP. Okay, as a key level of support. Unfortunately, it is under resistance, and you are in a downtrend on the 8-hourly time frame because you're below the 20 at the moment. Okay, but you can see XRP where it bounced yesterday. Okay, you can see it's bounced off this support line right now. So it's doing okay, but right now you can see if it does continue to remain under the level of resistance of this 20, this is where you're going to see a break. Okay, you're either going to see a pump, so do anticipate that. Come to the charts, because this is a really key level. You can see that it's quite imminent, because this 20 is coming in right now, and if it continues to hit its head, this is where you'll see it roll out this level of support and carry out a correction. Okay, and obviously no one wants a correction, but it is what it is, can't be helped, and that would be a 18% depreciation right there for XRP. Okay, you would see it roll over effectively. So we do obviously need the support to come in right here for XRP, because if it does, then you get back up with a 20 on the 8-hourly time frame right here. It's where you're going to start to see a little bit more progress, come towards the apex, get the breakout of this particular level of resistance at 93 cents, and this way you're going to see more upside for XRP, testing this key level of resistance right there. And then if you start to zoom out, look, zoom out, you'll see that you basically, let's tidy this up, and you're basically doing something like this. Do you see this in this triangle before you break out to the upside for XRP? But obviously you're fully aware you can break to the downside as well, you know, and it is all reliant on Bitcoin at the moment. Bitcoin's looking relatively strong, okay, but if Bitcoin does roll, then XRP is going to roll with it, unfortunately. Okay, you can see there is a bit of downwards pressure just there off this EMAs, and you are being forced into some kind of break right now for XRP. Okay, so that's basically a little update for you on XRP today. Lose support, go short. Okay, so basically if you do start to see XRP lose this level of support right here, then do anticipate a little short of around 16% for XRP. If you do start to see it break resistance, then do anticipate a 16% long. Okay, if you do start to see it break 0.93, then do anticipate that XRP could come up and retest this 105 as resistance and hopefully break out and get the reversal right here, because it is looking relatively strong. Because at the moment, like I've said to you, you're making a low and higher lows just there, and if you continue to do that, this is where you're going to see this progression and Bitcoin XRP pop out and come back up to this 104, and then this is the ABC done with, and you're starting to march onwards and upwards now in this next wave, Elliott wave theory, wave 3 in this bull run for XRP, okay, and get some market confidence back. It's all reliant on Bitcoin, I'm afraid, and you know that SEC has delayed the case now by October. You're fully aware of that, but you know XRP is in a bull run. It is in a bull run, okay, because if it was being affected by the SEC, then it wouldn't have created this bullish cross, okay, and it wouldn't be adhering to support of the EMAs on the weekly either, which it is. It's currently adhering to support, isn't it, the weekly 20, and it wouldn't be adhering to that. Look where the 55 is right now, okay, look where the 55 is right now for XRP. It's sat on our target at the previous swing high. Do you see that? So if it was to roll, do put some cheeky bids on the 55. Not financial advice, but yeah, that's XRP. Take care everyone, we'll be back tomorrow with an update on XRP. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay tuned.